Welcome to helpyourmath.com. We have this rational function here, which denominator is a variable, right? Contains variable. We have x minus 4 on the first term, x squared minus 16 as a variable on the second term, which could be factored. Right? This is the difference of squares. And on the third term, we have x plus 4 as the denominator. So what we could try to do first is factor x squared minus 16, which the one we didn't touch, so we just copy down. X squared minus 16, which 16 is basically the square of 4, right? So we have the sum and the difference of x plus 4, x minus 4, in other words. And the term after the equal sign, we just leave it. I just copy it down as whatever it should be. So here we have the denominator x minus 4, x plus 4 times x minus 4, and also the x plus 4. So what we still need to do is finding out our least common denominator, which in this case basically everything we have seen, and take the most repeating. We'll have the LCD to be x plus 4 times x minus 4. Again, we have the condition is whatever the denominator appears, they cannot be 0. So here x plus 4 cannot be 0, and the number make x minus 4 equals 0 can also not valid, right? So here we do not, or we should not take x to be negative 4 or x to be positive 4. Right? Those two are the conditions here. So what we could do next step is to multiply the least common denominator to the whole terms, to the all 1, 2, 3 different terms of the equation. I will just multiply. Multiply the denominator to each of the term we have. And the next step is to canceling. Right? We have the denominator x minus 4. It should be cancelled out whatever we multiply by x minus 4. We have on the second term, the denominator and whatever multiply is just matched. So we just cancel everything out. And for the third term, we have the x plus 4 on the denominator. We just cancel out the x plus 4. And try to make it look better. Right? We'll have 2 times x plus 4 minus x equals 6 times of x minus 4. Right, the next thing is, well, we see everything is first order. Then the next thing is just multiply out, simplify. If possible, then just basically isolating the x. I have 2 times x plus 4 is 2x plus 8. Minus x we didn't touch, copy down. And also on the right side we have 6 times of x minus 4. So 6 times x and 6 times negative 4. So on the left side, we see again we have 2x minus x. So we could combine them together. 2x minus x, we get x only. The rest, we just copy them down. So on that step, we have only x and another number on the left side. We have one variable, one number on the other side of the equal sign. So what we need to do is we make x on one side and the number to the other side. So what we prefer here is to keep the bigger coefficient of x on whichever side to be. Right, so I see positive 1, I see positive 6 in front of our x. So we need to take out the smaller one. Right, so I know our variable here, right, should stay on the right side to become 5x. Then after that, we see, well, our number should be on the left side. So we move that again to add 24 to make the number goes to the left. So after that step, we combine 8 plus 24, we get 32 equal 5x. Then the last step is just to divide the coefficient in front of our x. We're going to have a x only, which in this case x will be equal 32 over 5. Right? And don't forget to check the condition. We have condition saying x shouldn't get the value of -4 or 4. Then this will be a good solution.